Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Dootron.com, whether it's legit or just another sketchy online store. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Dootron.com has been flagged by security platforms like Soft for being potentially unsafe. Some issues include a lack of verified company info, suspicious domain behavior, and very little customer transparency. There are no Trustpilot reviews available at the moment, which makes it even harder to verify if anyone has actually bought from them and received their orders. The site's design looks basic and generic, nothing that screams trust, and it doesn't have the contact info and company details are either missing or vague. Now, for the final verdict, Dootron.com doesn't look reliable. With no customer reviews, security concerns, and very little transparency, it's best to avoid this site altogether. Better safe than sorry. If you've ever used Dootron.com, drop your experience below. It could really help others. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and honest online store reviews.